Laptop manufacturer company Lenovo has launched the new Thinkpad P52 at AEC Magazine's NXT-BLD conference in London. The laptop comes with VR capabilities and offers 128 GB of RAM and 6 TB of internal storage. The Lenovo Thinkpad P52 comes with a 15.6-inch 4K touchscreen display with 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. The laptop is powered by the 8th gen Intel Xeon hexa-core processor coupled with Nvidia Quadro P3200 GPU. The Lenovo Thinkpad P52 sports a black-body design and weighs 2.5 kg. In terms of connectivity, the laptop offers 3 USB 3.1 Type-A, 2 USB-C, Thunderbolt, 1 HDMI 2.0, 1 mini DisplayPort 1.4, and a SD card reader, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 4G LTE. The company said that it will be giving the option of 5 operating systems with the laptop. The 5 operating systems include Windows 10 Pro for Workstation, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Home, Ubuntu and Linux. The company will also be preloading Lenovo Vantage and the Microsoft Office 2016 trial. The laptop also comes equipped with an infrared camera which helps in facial recognition and an HD webcam for video calling.